already I have taught you parts of speech, no? So in parts of speech we have got what? Noun, no? So today we will learn about the types of nouns. There are two types of nouns. One is what? Concrete nouns, and the other is what? Abstract nouns. Okay, so first we will go to learn what is concrete nouns. Concrete noun is what? Concrete noun is a noun that we can see, hear, smell, touch and taste. These are what? Concrete nouns. And abstract nouns is what? Abstract noun is something that we cannot see, we cannot hear, we cannot talk, we cannot touch, okay, we cannot taste. These are abstract nouns. So you see here, concrete nouns, again concrete nouns are divided into two types. One is what? Common nouns, and the other is what? Proper nouns. Now we will learn about common nouns. A common noun talk about people, places and things in general. Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Common noun সাধাৰণতে আমি capital letters use নকৰো. We use what? Small letters. Okay, common nouns always begins with small letters. Common noun কি কাৰণত আমি small letters use কৰি? See, girl বুলি ক'লে আমি প্ৰত্যেক ছোৱালীকে বুজো. Friend বুলি ক'লে আমি ল'ৰা ছোৱালী উভয় দুয়োটাকে বুজো আমি. Baby বুলি ক'লে it is not a girl, not a boy. Neither a girl nor a boy. Okay, it is both. Baby বুলি ক'লে ল'ৰা ছোৱালী দুয়োজনকে বুজো আমি. Okay, is here hotel. Hotel বুলি ক'লে আমি প্ৰত্যেকখন হোটেলকে বুজো. স্কুল বুলি ক'লে প্ৰত্যেকখন স্কুলকে বুজাও আমি. Okay, river বুলি ক'লে প্ৰত্যেকটো ৰিভাৰকে বুজো. Not a particular river mentioned here. So we have to use here small letters. Okay, next is a proper nouns. A proper noun is the exact name of a particular person, place or thing. All proper nouns begins with capital letters. Proper noun is what? It is the particular person, place or thing. এটা particular person of বুজো, particular এখন place of বুজো, particular বস্তু এটাক বুজো. So we have to use capital letters in proper nouns. You see here one simple example I have given from Obhaipuri. You see Gita. Gita hotel বুলি ক'লে আমি এখনে Gita hotel বুজো. Okay, hotel Gita. So I have written here hotel. H capital letters, G also capital letters. Afrin. Afrin বুলি ক'লে এটা particular ছোৱালী এজনীক বুজিছো, সেইকাৰণে we have to use here capital letters. You see Borpeta road, particular place. River Brahmaputra. Already I have taught you in common nouns river. So in river I have given what? Small letters. And here I have used here capital letters. Why I have used capital letters here? River Brahmaputra. Already the name of the river has mentioned here Brahmaputra. So I have used here capital letters. If I will say the Asian Kids School. Okay, in particular school I have used the Asian Kids School. That is the particular school. Already I have mentioned the name of the school. Okay, next you see what is material noun. A material noun names a material or substances of which things are made. Okay, বস্তুটো আমি কিহেৰে বনাইছো, that is what? Material noun. Example, you see the ring is made of gold. The ring is made of what? Gold. Tables are made of what? Wood. So wood is what? Material noun. Papers are made of bamboo. So yeah, bamboo is what? Material noun. Okay, papers are made of bamboo. Now you see what next is collective noun. A collective noun names a group or collection of persons, animals or things as a complete whole. Collective nouns is what? Group of person, group of things, group of animals, etc. Okay, as it collective nouns, it means what? As a complete whole. গোটেইখিনিকে আমি একেলগে বুজো. Okay, you see here example. She has a bunch of keys. Here keys is what? Noun or naming words. Bunch is what? Collective noun. The collective noun of keys is bunch. A swarm of bees. Bees is what? Noun. And the collective noun of bees is what? Swarm. A bundle of stick. Okay, what is the collective noun of the stick? Bundle. Okay children, I hope all of you have understand the types of nouns. So children, I will give you the definition and you will write and learn nicely. Okay. So have a nice day. Bye.